I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you.
Hey everyone. Okay. Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I just thought, hey, why don't I do like a beach vacation, no makeup look, because I know when I just want to relax at the beach, I do put on a little bit of makeup, not too much. So if I do decide to swim, can wash away if it makes sense. And I usually just go to relax and just look cute. So I'm gonna show you guys that real quick, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Also, I'm gonna divide this into a hair section. So I like to make my hair look as if like I'm going to the beach. It'll be divided in the hair, to a wet look, and the products I use for that, my face and makeup, and then obviously my body and how that has to glow, if it makes sense.
I've